Upon signing into SAM Studio, you will see 4 tabs on the left-hand side. These tabs allow you to explore the different features or functions available to you within SAM Studio. It will automatically open on your Projects tab. This is where you will see any projects that you have created within your SAM Studio account. Projects are automatically saved to the SAM Studio Cloud or the SAM Labs server. This will allow you to access any projects saved to the cloud on any device, regardless of where it's being accessed. Should you lose internet connection, projects will automatically be saved locally to this computer. Projects that are saved locally can also be saved back to the cloud should internet connection be restored by clicking on these 3 dots next to the project name and selecting Save Copy in Cloud. From there, the project will now be available in the cloud as well. By clicking on the 3 dots next to the project name under the cloud, students will have the ability to share projects with their teachers if they are assigned to a classroom. The Projects tab is also where you can access the coding platforms SamSpace and SAM Studio by clicking the Create New button in the top right-hand corner. A drop-down will appear, allowing you to select which coding platform you would like to open. If you name your projects, you can also search for a project based on its name. Let's take a look at the tabs available underneath Projects. The first is the Classes tab, where you can create a new class and sort students that you have added to your account into different classes. You have the Students tab. This is where you can add students to your account. You have 2 different ways of adding students. The first is using your account code. Any students who enter in this account code will be found under Pending Students, where you can then approve them and have them become an active student. If you would prefer for students to not have to enter in this account code, you can click the Add button in the top right-hand corner and use the drop-down to select By Email. From here, you can enter in student email addresses separated by a comma to add students to the Active Students menu. Once students are active, they can then be sorted and assigned to a class. The last tab we have is our Content Hub tab. The Content Hub is where any lesson or resource we have for our courses can be found. You can find a specific lesson or resource that you're looking for by using the search for content, typing in the name of the lesson that you are looking for, and selecting that lesson once you have found it. Another way is using the Filters tab, where you can select the region, the course, the grade level, or the subject that you are searching for. By applying filters, the lessons previewed to you within the Content Hub will change. You can then hover over a lesson to see the lesson overview, and if that lesson overview matches your instructional goals, you can click on the lesson to see the resources available to you. The resources available to you will vary depending upon your subscription status. The last things to know are the Settings tab. By clicking on the Settings tab, you can update your name. This is the name that students will see when they have been added to your account. Students are also able to update their username should they need to. From here, you can request to join another subscription, or students can be added to another account should they work with two teachers who have separate accounts on SAM Studio. This is a quick overview of our coding platform, SAM Studio.